In this lesson, we're going to be talking about how to set up your Premiere Pro interface. When you open Premiere Pro, the first thing you will see is this welcome interface right here. The next thing you should do is click on New Project here, and then you give your project a name. So for this project, I'm going to say Intro Lesson, and you choose a location for the project. I'm just going to choose this location on my system here, and just click on Create. The next thing you want to do is click on Edit up here. This is what my workspace looks like. Yours might not look like this, so I'll reset mine. Click on this window button right here, come to Workspace and choose Editing. Now you have this workspace, and I'm going to show you how we can arrange or modify this interface. The first thing you want to do is move your project panel. To move your project panel, you click on this project name here, and then you can move it around anywhere. So we're just going to move it here till we see a green line, yes, and we'll leave it. Hover the mouse to the side of the project panel and adjust it to the size you want it to be. Now on the bottom here, we will see panels like media browser, graphics templates, library info. We don't need all of this, so we're just going to close them for now. Click on this 3 hamburger sign and choose close. I'll close this one also. For the effects panel, we'll be needing this one, so click on the name and drag it into our project panel. Markers, we don't need it for now. History, we don't need it for now. I'm going to adjust the tools panel. Now we have our timeline, tools panel, project panel, effects panel, project panel. The next thing we're going to do is look at the panels that we need for this project. We need the source monitor. This is your source monitor panel. This is where you preview your video before you choose the best part you want to work with. This is your program monitor panel. This is where you see what you're editing in real time. This is your properties panel. We're just going to also close this panel for now. It's a very important panel, but we'll close it for now. All right, so we have the source monitor panel, our effect control panel. This is the panel where we animate, we add keyframes, we see effect properties and all of that. This is our audio clip mixer panel, and we're also going to close this panel for now. Our metadata panel, we're also going to close this panel for now. So for this lesson, we're just going to be working with the project panel, the effects panel, the source monitor panel, the effects control panel, the program monitor panel, the timeline panel, which is very important because this is where you're going to be doing all your editing, and that is it. So to reiterate, if you want to move the panels around, you can click and drag them to wherever you want them to be. So just do what I did and we'll be fine. And if you're confused, don't forget to leave a message, and then we will work it through together. For now, this is how you set up your Adobe Premiere Pro interface, and go ahead and set up your own interface. And in the next lesson, we're going to be looking at importing video into the interface. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lesson.